Hello dear friends, today we can discuss some quick revision for exam. Moon phase with central obesity seen in Turner syndrome, Cushing syndrome, Addison's disease, Down syndrome. Correct answer is Cushing syndrome. Moon phase with central obesity seen in Cushing syndrome. Turner syndrome affects only females born with only one X chromosomes. Turner syndrome affects only females born with one X chromosome. Down syndrome is a genetic chromosome 21 disorder causing developmental and intellectual delay. Down syndrome is a chromosome 21 disorder causing developmental and intellectual delay. From this picture, we can identify the Cushing syndrome. Body changes, personality changes, hyperglycemia, moon phase. Here you can see the moon phase, and CNS, central nervous system irritability, susceptibility to infection, increased susceptibility to infection, sodium and fluid retention cause edema. Males, there will be enlargement of breast, that is gynecomastia. Thin extremities very thin, and fat deposits on face and back of shoulders. Gastrointestinal distress, increased acid. Females, there will be amenorrhea, hirsutism, thin skin, purple striae, bruises and petechiae, osteoporosis. All these features you can see in Cushing syndrome. Following food should be avoided when the patient is on MAOI, monoamine oxidase inhibitor. Vitamin C rich food, gluten rich food, thiramine containing food, alanine containing food. Correct answer is thiramine containing food. Thiramine containing food should be avoided when the patient is on MAOI. Monoamine oxidase inhibitors, MAOI, used to treat depression. Foods high in thiramine are ingested. A hypertensive crisis can result. Thiramine is amino acid, helps to regulate BP. Thiramine is also a amino acid, helps to regulate BP. Example of foods are beef or chicken liver. Examples of thiramine rich containing foods are beef or chicken liver, aged cheeses, yogurt, etc. STEMI, ST elevation MI, fibrinolytic therapy must be instituted maximum dash hours of symptom onset. 48 hours, 24 hours, 30 minutes, 5 hours. Correct answer is 24 hours. Maximum time will be 24 hours. Before that, fibrinolytic therapy must be instituted. Patient should have give fibrinolytic medications before 24 hours. After 24 hours time frame, fibrinolytic therapy is contraindicated and likely will not be effective. Fibrinolysis is a process that prevents blood clots from growing and becoming problematic. Fibrinolytic drug, also called thrombolytic drug. Examples of fibrinolytic drugs are streptokinase, rectaplase, tenecteplase. These are some examples of thrombolytic drugs. Identify the National Health Program by symbol. NMHB, NPCB, NLEP, NOHB. Correct answer is NPCB. NPCB, the symbol of NPCB, that means National Program for Control of Blindness. NPCB, National Program for Control of blindness was launched in the year 1976. Main causes of blindness in India: cataract 62.6%, refractive error 19.70%, corneal blindness 0.90%, glaucoma 5.80%. During phototherapy, babies' eyes are covered to prevent Brown's baby syndrome, dehydration, retinal damage, conjunctivitis. Correct answer is retinal damage. To prevent retinal damage, the baby's eyes are covered. Eyes are covered for newborns are standard prophylaxis to prevent retinal damage. Brown's baby syndrome is a dark brown pigmentation of skin occurring sometimes following phototherapy. No specific treatment is required. You can see the baby's eyes are covered to prevent retinal damage. A pregnant woman is diagnosed with pulmonary TB. Which of the following anti-TB drug should not be given? Ethambutol, streptomycin, rifampicin, INH. Correct answer is streptomycin. Streptomycin is contraindicated with pulmonary TB pregnant woman because streptomycin should not be used because it has been shown to have harmful effects on the fetus. The preferred initial treatment regimen is INH, that means isoniazid, rifampicin and ethambutol daily for 2 months, followed by INH, rifampicin daily or twice weekly for 7 months for a total of 9 months of treatment. So please read the preferred initial treatment regimen because the questions can ask from the rationale also. INH, rifampicin and ethambutol we are giving to a pregnant woman. Pairs patches mostly found in duodenum, jejunum, rectum, ileum. Correct answer is ileum. Pairs patches mostly found in ileum. Pairs patches, they are lymphoid follicles similar in many ways to lymph node located in the mucosa and extending into the submucosa of the small intestine, especially in the ileum. Pairs patches can seen all the area of gastrointestinal tract, but especially in ileum. It is found in duodenum, jejunum and ileum. But the questions, what is the specific part means you have to answer ileum. Extremely depressed clients seem to do best in setting where they have dancing or singing, decision making, routine activities performing, varied activities. Correct answer is routine activities performing. Because the routine activities performing is best and least stressful and least anxiety producing. So the depressed client first action should be to assist routine activities performing. Which nerve supply diaphragm? Phrenic nerve, splenic nerve, diaphragmatic nerve, sciatic nerve. Correct answer is phrenic nerve. Phrenic nerve supply diaphragm. Sciatic nerve originates in lower back of thigh and leg ending foot. Sciatic nerve originates in lower back of thigh and leg ending foot. Splenic nerve situated in thorax area. Splenic nerve situated in thorax area. Phrenic nerve supply diaphragm. Monday fever is associated with bagasosis, byssinosis, abscessosis, silicosis. Correct answer is byssinosis. Monday fever is associated with byssinosis. Byssinosis is also called a brown lung disease or Monday fever. Brown lung disease or Monday fever is an occupational lung disease caused by exposure to cotton dust in inadequately ventilated working environments. Byssinosis commonly occurs in workers who are employed in yarn and fabric manufacture industries. So Monday fever, other name is brown lung disease. So quick revision is over. All the best for your coming examination. Please like and share this video to your friends. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel and wait for another video. Thank you.